Hi guys! My presentation is about South Korea and United States. The United States and South Korea are two countries with a lot of culture, influence, and power. Although they have some things in common, their differences are very notorious. While Koreans eat very healthy with vegetables, fruits, and few condiments, Americans prefer fast food such as hamburgers, french fries, and pizza. They both enjoy working out, except that Koreans prefer more natural and not so muscular birds. They both enjoy dancing and have many academies, except that Americans dance more styles. Unlike Koreans who like slim and fragile girls, Americans prefer them sexy and toned. While Koreans use many products to have a perfect white skin, Americans tend to look better. The two drinks alcohol frequently, except that Koreans drinking as a regular drink called soju. In both countries, many plastic surgeries are performed, except that in Korea, these are usually given as birthday gifts and many peoples. Unlike Americans who marry very young, Koreans usually wait 25 to 30 years to do so. Finish.